Hello everyone, my name is Mauro from Spotahome, Madrid. Today I'm going to show you a studio apartment in the center of the city. It's located in Ibiza's neighborhood, too close to Hospital Gregorio Marañón. It's located between O'Donnell and Saite Veranda metro station. It's a really good apartment, totally equipped and ready for booking.
That's the entrance door in front of the living area with the sleeping area here. This sofa, the TV. Here we found the wardrobe, built in. Really good space. This table in front of the kitchen area, totally equipped with fridge, oven, 3 stove, microwave, and the sink. Here we found this window to a street view, Dr. Esquerdo Street. That's Hospital Gregorio Marañón. And to finish, here we found the bathroom with the sink, toilet, and the shower here. So that's the apartment. It's a really good apartment, totally equipped, refurbished and ready for booking in a really good location of the city.
Thank you for the video. Hope you enjoyed and like it. You can find more information in the Spotahome page. Bye bye.